हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे जनरल एप्टीट्यूड का अगला लेसन। तो इसमें क्वेश्चन दिया, व्हेन ए एंड बी वर्क इन अल्टरनेट डेज, केस वन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ए लेट एक्स कैन फिनिश द टास्क इन 8 days एंड बी कैन फिनिश द योर टास्क इन सेम टास्क इन 10 days। हाउ मैनी डेज आर रिक्वायर्ड टू फिनिश द टास्क इफ बोथ आर वर्किंग इन अल्टरनेट डेज। ठीक है, तो एलसीएम 8, 10 इज इक्वल टू 14 हो जाएगा। 8 और 10 का एलसीएम कितना होगा, 40 हो जाएगा। एलसीएम मेथड से कर रहे हैं हम इसको। ए की स्पीड कितना हो जाएगा, 40/8 इज इक्वल टू 5। बी की स्पीड 40/10 इज इक्वल टू 4। डे वर्क डन टोटल। पहले डे में क्या करेगा, ए काम करेगा, कितना करेगा, 5। टोटल कितना हुआ, 5 वर्क हुआ। दूसरे दिन में कितना बी वर्क करेगा, कितना करेगा, 4। टोटल वर्क कितना होगा, 4 9 हो गया। ऐसे करते चलते चलते 8वें दिन कौन करेगा, बी कब करेगा, 4 वर्क करेगा। टोटल वर्क कितना हो जाएगा, 26 36। 8 दिन बाद 36 यूनिट्स काम हो गया। टोटल 40 यूनिट्स काम करना था, तो रिमेनिंग कितना बचा, 4 यूनिट्स का। सो 9th डे में एक की बारी है। A1 एक दिन में 5 यूनिट काम करता है, तो 4 यूनिट काम करने के टाइम 4/5 डे है। मतलब 8 + 4/5 मतलब 8 से 4/5 8.8 डेज। ये जाएगा हमारा आंसर। अब हम पढ़ेंगे कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ निगेटिव वर्क। सपोजिंग ए एंड बी आर वर्किंग to build a wall while C is working to break the wall. In such condition, wall is being built by A and B while it is broken by C. If we consider the work as building of the wall, we can say that C is doing negative work. Add 1 day work of A and B but subtract 1 day work of C. ठीक है, A can build a wall in 2 days, B can build it in 12 days, while C can build completely destroy it in 24 days. If they starts working at the same time, in how many days will the work be completed? तो 8 12 24 का एलसीएम में 24 हो जाएगा। ए की स्पीड 1, बी की स्पीड 2, सी की स्पीड 1 इन मिनट्स में। टोटल यूनिट कितना हो जाएगा, 4। टाइम कितना रहेगा, टोटल वर्क अपॉन नेट वर्क डे 24/6 6 दिन हो जाएगा आंसर। A tortoise can climb up to 5 meters in finish first hour. Next hour is climbed, then 4 meters. It is trying to reach a platform of 15 meters. Find the number of required to the tortoise to climb up the platform. First hour climbs 5 meters. Next hour slips 4 meters. Platform machine height 15 meters. LCM method. Climb 5 minutes per hour. ठीक है, हिट करता है 4 मीटर पर लाइक टेक एलसीएम आपको 5.4 नाउ कन्वर्ट वर्क इनटू एलसीएम यूनिट। क्लाइंब इन 1 hour 20/5 4 यूनिट, स्लिप इन नेक्स्ट आवर 20/4 5 यूनिट। हियर स्लिप इज ग्रेटर देन क्लाइंब, सो एवरी 2 stars tortoise have goes become by 1 unit, so it will never reverse. एक क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, a snail trying to reach 0.8 the top level of wooden stick is 95 centimeter land. Snail can climb up to 5 centimeter in first hour but climb down to 9 centimeter in next hour. Find the time required to snail to reach the top of the work. फर्स्ट आवर में 5 सेंटीमीटर, सेकंड आवर में 3 सेंटीमीटर, 2 सेंटीमीटर, 2 घंटे में 2 सेंटीमीटर, टी इज 95 सेंटीमीटर, T/2 95/2, T 95 आवर 90 और 90 सेंटीमीटर, 90 और 95 सेंटीमीटर। पाइप्स एंड सिस्टर्न्स. Pipes are connected to a tank or cistern and are used to fill or empty the tank. Inlet is pipe which is used to fill the tank In the given figure, pipe A is inlet outlet. It is pipe connected to a tank and it is used for emptying the tank. The figure pipe is outlet. It is an inlet can completely fill the empty tank in X hours. The paper part filled in 1 hour. 1 upon X outlet is a pipe connected to a tank and is used for emptying the tank. In the figure, pipe is outlet. If an inlet can completely fill the empty tank in hours, the part of the tank filled in 1 hour is 1 by X. In an outlet can empty the tank in Y hours, then the part of tank emptied hour is equal to 1 by Y. If both inlet and outlet are open, here part of the tank filled in hours 1 upon X minus 1 upon Y. A tank can have large number of inlet and outlet. Here on the figure, A, B, C and D inlets, white D, E, F, E outlets. Let A, B, C and can fill the tank in X1, X2 and X3 hours respectively, and D, E, F can empty the full tank in Y1, Y2 and Y3 hour respectively. That the net part of the tank filled in 1 hours 1 upon X1 plus 1 upon X2 plus 1 upon X3 minus 1 upon Y1 plus 1 upon Y2 plus 1 upon Y3. A pipe can fill the tank in 5 hours and pipe B can empty the full tank in 10 hours. Calculate the time required to fill the tank if both are running simultaneously. 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 10 यहाँ से करेंगे तो आएगा टाइम 10 hours. 2 inlet pipe can fill the tank in 10 and 20 hours respectively, while 2 outlet pipes can drop the full tank in 30 and 25 hours respectively. Find the required to fill the tank at all pipes are running simultaneously. जो फिल करेंगे उसको और माइनस जो इम्पटी करेगा उसको माइनस कर देंगे, तो यहाँ हमारा क्या आ जाएगा 23/300. तो टाइम क्या आ जाएगा 1/23/300 मतलब कि 13.04 आवर. Concept of man day. If 100 workers can finish the task in 50 days, then one worker can finish the task in 100 into 50 मतलब कि 500 days. This is represented one form of man day. So man day is nothing but the time required to finish the task by one person. Let 100 workers can finish the task in 50 days. Then now many days are required to finish the task by 25 workers. Man days 50 into 100 is equal to 1000. ठीक है, 25 वर्कर्स 5000 upon 25 is equal to 200 days. Let 100 workers can finish the task in 50 days. 100 workers started completing the task by at 10 days. Now to finish the task is shown as possible. 100 more workers are employed. Now calculate the number of days required to complete the task. Man days required 5000. 100 workers 10 days completion 1000. Remaining 4000 man day. Now worker is equal to 200. Days is equal to 400,000 upon 200 is equal to 20 days. Total 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 days. Let 100 workers can finish the task in 50 days. 100 workers started the task and working for 20 days. Now because of unforeseen situations, 80 workers have to left the work. The find number of days required to complete the task. Work 100 into 50 500 man day. 100 worker 20 days. 100 into 20 to 2000 man day. Left the 3000 man day. Worker left 20 days. 3000 upon 20 days. total 170 days, man day hour, MDH is equal to work. Also MDH is equal to work may be anything like construction of well or difference is MDH upon W1 and WH upon W2. Also if W1 is equal to LBH, where length is L1, breadth is B1 and height is H1, and if W2 is L2 B2 H2, where length, breadth, height are length and height respectively of second wall, then MDH upon LB1 H1, M2 D2 H2 upon L2 B2 H2, L1 B1 H1 upon L2 B2 H2, M1 D1 H1 upon M2 D2 H2. Concept of efficiency of persons performing same task may not be same, it may be different for different persons. If efficiency is high, a person can complete the work. Main faster than stipulated time period. Similarly, if efficiency is low, it required more time to finish the same task than that stipulated time. We will observe following problems to have a glimpse of problems based on concept of efficiency. अगला वीडियो में अगले क्वेश्चन करेंगे। आज के लिए इतना ही, सिर्फ धन्यवाद।